Okay, now we have come to the point where we have shingled up on this dormer to a ridge vent opening. And as we did previously, we want to make sure that metal covers up to the point of the opening. And so I've taken some coil and I've measured from this top lock to the opening. I'm going to do a bend down at the end to fit into the Gable channel represented over here. And as you can see, I've already put this side on and fastened it with nails, and it's securely in place. You can see at this end where I've come to the valley, I have wrapped that around and into the hem so that is securely in place. Now what I want to do is take my ridge vent, and as I did the last time, I want to make sure that it's centered on the ridge line, and I want to bring it all the way here to the end. And when I put my ridge caps on, I'm going to bend it over the ridge vent and down into the channel, thereby making it secure. Okay, at this point, I've got the ridge vent flush with the gable, centered on the ridge. Now what I want to do is begin to install the ridge caps. And what I want to do is I want to open up the bottom of the ridge cap, and I'm going to bend it over, and I want to take it far enough down that it firmly seats into this channel. Here I've got about 2.5 or 2 3/8 inches. So maybe I'm going to go about 2 1/4 here. I'm going to go ahead and mark the cap at 2 1/4 in the center and on the two sides. I'm going to need to cut a relief in the center up to that point. And I know I'm going to have some overlap there. I'm going to cut this up at an angle. Make sure that it's centered on this, and if I want, I can put a couple of trim nails through here and put some touch-up paint on it. I'll go ahead and fasten this down, and I'm ready then to run my ridge caps on down the ridge line. All right, as I mentioned, it might be a good idea to put a trim nail or another nail with a small head here at the end. I've used a nail to make a hole here. I want to make sure I press down on the cap. And then I'm going to come back with some touch-up paint. Q-tip works real nice for these small applications.
Best Buy Metals is a nationwide distributor of KasselWood steel shingles, along with other premium metal shingles manufactured by Isaiah Industries. Specializing in superior customer support and service, Best Buy has a team ready to help you determine the ideal roofing solution for your project. With core values such as committed customer service, expert-level knowledge, and creativity, along with over 50 years of combined experience, Best Buy's team is the perfect partner to ensure your project goes smoothly. Contact Best Buy Metals today at 1-800-728-4010 or online at www.bestbuymetals.com.